In the previous video, we had discussed about definition of Boolean algebra and the types of Boolean algebra. We had AND, OR and NOT operations. Okay, let's discuss about AND operation. AND operation. Here the AND operation, this is one type of operation. So here we use a dot sign to represent. Just we use dot to represent the AND operation. If two or more operations are ended means if two or more operations, so mostly there should be two operations are mandatory here. So consider A and B. So these are the, consider these two A and B are operands and we are applying AND operation. So we use dot sign, that means A dot B. So here this should be AND operations, that means here these two operands are ANDed. Okay, then the result will be a logic 1. So A dot B equals to 1 when these two operands are also logic 1. So let's see here. We had that the result will be logic 1. There are two logics. One is the logic 1 and another one is the logic 0. And here we had at least two operands. That means these are the two inputs and the output will be 1 or 0. So let's see example. Here AND operation, this is the AND operation and this is the dot. Both are same, but it is represented by the dot and it just represented with a word. So now see actually what is the condition. If two operations are ANDed, then the result will be 1. When the result will come 1, when the two operands are be 1 and 1. If we observe here, this condition will be 1 and 1 and remaining 3 conditions will be zeros. Let's see why this happens. And also if we observe, this dot operation can be looks like multiply. So if we multiply 0 with 0, you will get 0. If we multiply with 0 with 1, you will get 0. If 1 with 0, same term 0. But 1 and 1 will get 1. This is the condition. These are the two operands. If two operands are ANDed means 1 dot 1. This should be dot, okay, is equals to 1. Okay, if two operands are ANDed, then the result will be 1. The result will come only 1 when the two operands will be both are 1s. Okay, so if we see the expression here, y is equals to A dot B or AB, we already discussed. Here y is the output, A, B are inputs. Fine. So y is equals to A dot B. In mathematical, we use multiplication simply. If we have to multiply A and B, A, B, we use simply A, B and A dot B. It simply terms as multiplication terms. So this y is the output and remaining 2 will be the inputs, and inputs should be 2. There should be 2 or more operands. That means two operands are compulsory here. So this is the operation of AND.